Hello, fifth grade. This is Mr. Mulligan's Marvelous Mathematics, completing my Nuzlocke Prodigy challenge with my character Nathan, Battle Winner. Last time I got my very own pet from the Fire World, and I got some equipment, and I am going to see what today's adventure holds for us. So I'm going to click next, and I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to turn my volume up. I'm going to play from school just for now. I might do some home ones later. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Oh, also, I've been getting updates. Crystal Caverns coming soon. A whole new place in Prodigy. Pretty exciting. They're really pushing updates so you can be playing Prodigy at home and enjoying it and having a good time. Um, so let's see what it's all about. Okay, merchant. Welcome to Hot Threads. Um, let's see what he has for sale. Maybe I might buy something. Okay, I have 50. That costs 90, 90, 30. You know what? I may save up and get some of that stuff. I will buy something, just not now. And I had some students that were asking if I put my pet in front. Now that's really scary for me because I don't want my pet to die, but I'm willing to take risks in the sake of, for fifth grade. And I'm going to roll with it. I'm going to see what happens. I'm really nervous. Okay. I don't think they would hurt my pet. I think we're friends. We're all friends here, I think. Okay. Um, so these are 5 people. So I'll try it. What is the pattern? Now, I always click on this because it tells me, oh, a pattern. So use the number 557. Oh, I'm sorry, 555, 557, 559, 561, 563. Oh, I know the pattern. Each time I add 2, because you add 2 and you get 2 more. Okay. Oh, yes. Surviving. Okay. I don't think it's a good idea because I don't have any attacks that can do lots of damage. What is the pattern? 892, 901, 910, 919, 928. Now, you're adding or subtracting the same number. So if I look at 910 to 919, I can easily see this one's 9 more. And I check that. This one's 9 more. This one's 9 more. So I know that I add 9. Oof, surviving. Okay, what let me move that up here. What is the area of this shape? Area is, well, base times height, or we think of it as length times width. So I would multiply these two together. 11 times 14. So I would do 14 times 11. 1 times 4 is 4. And 1 times 1 is 1. Remember, when we're multiplying, we start on the bottom right and we multiply from right to left. Next, we put a placeholder. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. And I add it up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. So I get 154 yards squared. And that's my final answer. Okay. What is the area? Same thing, length times width, but it just got hard all of a sudden. You know, these are really big numbers. So let's try it. 36 times 38. Remember, when we're multiplying, we start at the bottom right and we multiply from right to left. So 8 times 6 is 48. Write the 8, carry the 4. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. Now, after I'm done, to avoid confusions, I cross off this 4 because I'm done using it. Then I add a placeholder 0, and now I do the 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Write the 8, carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Then I add up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So I get 1,368. And that's this one right here. Ooh, that's coming like really close. Okay. Which shape has an area of 56 miles? So I'm figuring out which one of these multiplies together to make 56. So 9 times 6, that's 54. That's not it. 9 times 8, sorry, 9 times 8, 72. That's not it. 7 times 8 is 56. That one's it. So that's the one I'm going to pick. Okay, almost there. Yes. Which shape has an area of 714 miles? So that means multiply together which one equals 714. Well, let's try this one. 98 times 54. 4 times 8 is 32. Write the 2, carry the 3. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 3 is 39. Placeholder 0. 5 times 8 is 40. Write the 0, carry the 4. 5 times 9 is 45. Plus 4 is 49. 5,292. Nope, that's way too big. Okay, so let's try a different one. Let's try this one. So I'm going to clear that, and we're going to try over here 34 times 21. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Placeholder 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 3 is 11. Write the 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, and that's 714. So that is my answer. I did it. Okay. He has about half his life left. Okay, leveling up. Okay, I'm going to switch to this pet in front just to see the different attacks they can do. Okay, so here we'll lock water in a couple levels. That will be good. In the expression below, which of the following is the first operation you should perform? So, order of operations, PEMDAS. Remember we learned in class, you multiply and divide from left to right, then you add and subtract to left to right. Or you can think of it as parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, um, PEMDAS. Okay, so on here I have multiplication, subtraction, and addition. So the first thing I'm going to do is I multiply and divide from left to right, and multiplication's in that problem. So I multiply. And the expression below, which the following is the first operation. So the first thing in PEMDAS is parentheses. So I look and I see parentheses in here, so I know I do that first. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add. What is the volume of this rectangular prism? Remember, volume is length times width times height. Multiply all three numbers together. So, oops. There we go. I would multiply length times width. 9 times 6 is 54 times the height, which is 6. And so I multiply 54 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Write the 4, carry the 2. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2, 34. Sorry, 32. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2 is 32. So I get 324 inches cubed. Remember, volume is always cubed. Okay. What is the volume? Ooh, these are big numbers. That's okay. We can do big math. Let's do 53 times 80. Remember, we can do a shortcut when we have a 0 here, and we can just put that 0 right here, and we just multiply like normal. 8 times 3 is 24. Write the 4, carry the 2. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 2, 44. 4,440, but we're not done yet. We got to multiply this number over here as well. So times 58. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 4 is 32. Write the 2. Carry the 3. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 3, 35. Write the 5. Carry the 3. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 3 is 35. Placeholder 0. 5 times 0, 0. And I cross off these 3 because I don't need them anymore. 5 times 4 is 20. Write the 0. Carry a 2. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2, 22. Write a 2, carry the 2. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2, 22. Okay, I'm up. 0, 2. I messed up somewhere. Let's see. Let's just keep adding it. 5, 7, 5, 2. Okay, so I look and I realize I made a mistake. So I'm going to go back and check my work. So 8 times 3 is 24. Write the 4, carry the 2. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. So I made a mistake there. I'm going to click clear, and now I'm going to start over. This is a good lesson. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. It's not good to get frustrated. It's good just to learn from your mistakes, start over, do it correct. 0, 24. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 2 is 42. Now I can multiply it by 58. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 4, 32. Write the 2, carry the 3. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19. Write the 9, carry the 1. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 1 is 33. Placeholder 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. Write the 0, carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Write the 2, carry the 1. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Now let's add it up. 0, 2, 9, 5, 4, 2. 245,920, and I do have a correct answer, and it is right there. If I wanted to, I could be really fancy, and I could use magic math to check my work. Let's try it. We don't need this part. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. 6 plus 4 is 10. So that's a 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 4 is 10, and that's also 1. I checked my work. Now let's check this one. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 4 is 10, so that's a 1. 8 plus 5 is 13, which is a 4. 1 times 4 equals 4. Let's add this one up. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 5 is 11, plus 9 is 20, plus 2 is 22, which also equals 4. I know my answer is correct. I can check my work very quickly and efficiently using magic math. Good, he learned water burst. I think that's going to help me with his fire types. Getting that hots. Okay, let's finish this quest before we finish for today. Okay, I'm gonna try water burst, my new skill. What is the pattern? 65, 61, 57, 53, 49. Well, I'm going from bigger to smaller, so I know I'm subtracting. And this one says subtract by 4, and this one says add. Nope, I'm going from bigger to smaller. I'm subtracting, so my answer is answer A. Ooh, that's a cool attack. Yeah, powerful. Water burst. What is the pattern here? 1, 5, 25, 125, 625. I'm going from a smaller number to a really big number really fast. We call that repeat addition or multiplication. So this one says I start with 1 and then I multiply by 5. This one says I start at 5. Well, we're starting at this number right here on the left-hand side at 1, and therefore B is correct. Ooh, yeah. In 6,719,023, what digit is in the millions place? If you did not know, you can click on here and it actually tells you which one's in the millions place. It's kind of like cheating. 6 million. 6 million. What number? 6. Ooh, he's getting low health. Hopefully I can finish them off. In 5,679,832, what digits in the tens, thousands place? Well, I can look at here and I can look, ooh, 10,000, but now it doesn't have a number. So now I have to think, oh, okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's the number 7. Oh, so close. Oof, good thing. I was getting low health. Round to the nearest 10. 292,420. So everything to the left, I keep the same. And that 2 would just stay the same. And that 1 becomes a 0. Because we're not doing that. Because if I look at this, the 2's in the tens place. And I look at this 1 and I ask myself, 4, 5 or more, add 1 more, 4 or less, let it rest. And it's a 1, which is 4 or less, let it rest. So it becomes a 0. And I write my answer. I wonder, do their health regenerate after each battle? I hope it does, because if it doesn't, I'm in for a rude awakening. I think their health might regenerate. If not, I might have to switch. Yeah, give me those hearts. Okay, I'm gonna try to skip this battle. I'm going. Um, okay, new. Sounds good. Do I want to return? Yeah, I kind of do. I've had a lot of battles today. Okay, I think you're the sidekick and I'm the wizard. Just throw that out there. But I'll take the gold coins. Okay, Slurpee. Sounds good. Okay. Let's see if I can purchase any cool items yet. Ooh, I have 100. So let's see. I'm gonna go to my backpack and let's see. I don't have a hat or boots, so I'm gonna purchase. Yes, I do want to shop today. I can buy. I'm gonna buy the hat, and maybe next time, if I get enough, I'll purchase something else. There we go. Now, what are these magic eggs? These magical eggs are only found when the Spring Fest is active. They can be collected by adventuring or performing Spring Fest activities. Spend them at the Fox or Bunny shops. Well, sometime we're gonna have to check those out when I get enough of them. But this is Mr. Mulligan signing off. I still have my pets, but I am risking life and death by putting them in the front lines for helping attack. Um, Hopefully you enjoyed this, learned a little bit, had a little bit of fun. Sayonara, goodbye. I will see you on Tuesday. Have a great day.